Hello, this is Majid Ogori. Today I'm going to talk about the use of the titles Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Miss. Mr. is used with men married or not married, but with either full name, Mr. Tom Smith, or last name, Mr. Smith, but never with first name. We never say Mr. Tom. Mrs. is used with married women, again, either with full name or last name, but never with first name. Ms. is used with women when we do not know if the woman is married or not. Again, it is used with either full name or last name, but not with first name. If you want to talk to someone with his first name, do not use a title. Say, "Hi Tom," if he's your friend. We come to the use of Miss. Miss is the only title that you can use it with first name, full name, or last name. Miss is used with girls not married. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Same name on Facebook. Thank you.